Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share how to fix there has been a critical error on this website, error message on your WordPress website. You will see this type of message when your WordPress website have a code conflict. It may be a plugin, theme or core files of your WordPress website. So let's see how we can fix this. As the first step, you have to find the wp-config.php file on your WordPress website. If your website hosts on cPanel, you can use File Manager to access that file. In my case, my website hosted on my local computer. So I will go to htdocs and in here this is the folder that I installed this WordPress website. So this wp-config.php file is located on the root directory of your WordPress website. In my case, it located on this custom theme folder. So I will open this folder. Then here is the wp-config.php file. So I will open this file on text editor. In your case, you can open it on text editing software of the file manager on the cPanel. So I will right click and open this with text editor. Okay, now I press Ctrl F or Command F and type wp_debug. Then press enter and you will see a code like define wp debug false. So if you see this type of code, just remove this false part and make it true and save this file. Also, if you don't see this type of code line, just copy the code line on this video description and paste it end of this file and save. Then go to your website and refresh it. When you refresh it, you will see the error line. So here is the file and folder path to this file. So which means this error located on this file. In your case, you may see different file path or different folder path, but fixing this issue will be same. So as the second step, you have to find this WP content section. So in my case, it located here. Then I have to go to the WP content folder of my website. So to do that, I will open root folder and in this root folder, I will see this WP content folder. So I will go inside this folder and then I have to go to this plugins folder. So here is the plugins folder and now I have to go to Elementor folder, which means this error appear on Elementor plugin. To fix this issue, you can simply right click and rename this folder by adding some text. So let's add something like /old and let's go to the website and refresh the website. When we refresh the website, you will see the error was gone. If you still see the error, read the error line and try to find the error file. And if it on a WordPress core files, as example, let's go to WordPress website and here is the website. So I will just go inside WP includes and then go to bookmark and we'll open it in text editor and just add some text and save it. And then if I refresh it, I will see this type of error. So in this case, I have to go to my website folder and WP includes then bookmark.php. But this bookmark.php is a WordPress core file. So now you can download WordPress from wordpress.org and click on this Get WordPress button and download WordPress. And then you can open the WordPress folder. In WordPress folder, you can find this error path. So it's on WP includes. So let's go to WP includes and then it's bookmark.php. So let's find the bookmark.php file. Here is the bookmark.php file and now you can go to your WordPress website, WP includes folder on your WordPress website. In my case, let's open root file of the WordPress website and go to WP includes, and now I will rename this bookmark file. Let's rename like old, and then I will just upload or paste this new bookmark file to WP include folder of my WordPress website, and if I refresh it now, I will see no issue. So you can use both of these ways to fix critical error message on your WordPress website. After that, you have to go to root folder of your website and go to wp-config.php and then change this wp debug mode to false and save it. So I forgot to mention, before you do this any updates, you have to get a backup of your WordPress website, because if you ruin it more or if you make more errors by editing this stuff, it will really hard to fix. So always get a backup, and if you unable to fix this error, just contact a WordPress developer. So I will see you in next video.